What up, my fix gang? As you can see, this one a GL450. My little biggest you Jama machine. So when I went to pick up this car from the customer's house, it was vibrating massively. So I ran a diagnosing test and found this fourth coil cylinder 2, cylinder 4, and ignition 5 misfiring. As it my content no easy for this our work. That's how they use one hand, they remove air cleaner. It's not easy. This cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. So now Benz with that, no be like Toyota or this Japan, like one cylinder, cylinder 1 in bank 1, cylinder 2 in bank 2. So this is me. Even before doing this video, I've replaced cylinder 2 spark plug. That's why the engine is running smoother. So the cylinder 4 spark plug is very bad, so I need to replace that too. So just to cut the long story short, even the cylinder 5 ignition coil, I've changed it. So this is me claiming the fourth code or the fourth code. Now if you can listen very well, the car is now running smoother. Malo, wow, higher tech. We too good at it. Wait, before I forget, it's better you change all the plug at once. That's what I literally did.